When both the Glade Pet Fresh plugins, designed to last up to 300 days, and the automatic spray starter kit, designed to neutralize really tough odors, both deliver freshness, how do you choose between the two? My favorite things about the plug-in kits are that they are continuous fragrance for up to 60 days if you have it on the low setting, and you can control that. They're very easy to swap out without any mess, and they're a really compact design. They can fit any room discreetly. They plug into the heating element, takes up about 4 inches, and just a standard wall outlet. On the other end, the automatic spray starter kit has adjustable spray intervals. You could do it every 9, 18, or 36 minutes. You pick the setting. It does have an instant burst of freshness when you need it. You can do it manual, or you can allow the machine to automatically do it for you. You can set it to automatically respray every 9, 18, or 36 minutes. Runs off 2 AA batteries, and it does have a sleek design. It has removable refills. Hang it on the wall or stand it wherever is convenient, and you do have a degree of control over how much scent comes into your space. As far as which one lasts longer, the plugins are 60 days. The spray can be 30 to 60 depending on how often you use it. The plug-in is obviously electric, and the automatic spray does require batteries. The plugins are great for continuous freshness. The spray is better for a larger room or larger space, high traffic. Both are designed specifically to attack those wet pet odors. So any of the wet, smelly, even like wet uniforms, sweaty shoes, all of that, it kind of masks that whole wet damp. And I'd say my favorite things, the Pet Fresh scent is a kind of a crispier laundry lily designed to address those tough odors without the harsh chemicals. It is a stylish design, whether you want to plug it in or set it about. And each of them have an easy refill system. It's just really, do you want more continuous use, or do you need it for a bigger, stronger challenge? Glade is helping in that solution, fitting in our lifestyle, giving us a solution, whether it's continuous or time burst. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.